Hello everyone, welcome to Where to Park episode 15. Today I'll be showing you where to park at Suntec City, which is nearby Promenade and Esplanade MRT. There are 3 entrances and 2 exits for this car park. The first entrance is beside the Suntec City Convention Centre and can be found using this address. Motorcycle parking here is free, just keep to the left of the gantry. Head down the ramp to basement 1 and keep to the left lane. If you're a delivery rider, you can head straight past this gantry where you find a delivery rider parking space right in front of Tower 5. If not, you can turn left and use this other gantry. Look out for this opening between the cars on the left and you'll find a big motorcycle parking area behind the car lots. For more lots, head straight to the end and turn right. Make another immediate right into the next row. Beside Lift Lobby A, you'll find 2 lots here. There are a couple of more lots here further down on the left. If you head to the end, you'll find the Tower 5 mall entrance and a dedicated parking area for delivery riders. For more parking near the convention centre, turn left into the next row and head straight down. Turn right at the end and head to the end. At the end, you'll find several lots behind the car lots. Do note that cars might sometimes block the entrance to these lots and might box in your motorcycle. If that happens, you need to approach the concierge to get the driver to move their vehicle. There's also another parking area further down on the left. For parking near Towers 1 and 2, follow the way out arrows. Make a right here before the exit. Then turn right here and you'll find a parking area nearby Tower 5 on the left. Further down on the left, behind the car lots, you'll find another parking area between Towers 1 and 5, which you can access using this gap. You can also access this space by heading up from basement 2, which I will show you later. There are another 3 lots here. Make a right at the stoplight. On the left, there are several lots up this small ramp. These lots are closest to the lobby for Towers 1 and 2. Further down on the left, you'll find another row of lots between Towers 1 and 5. Make a right at the end and follow the arrows. At the stop line, make a left. You'll find 2 stray lots here. For parking nearby Towers 3 and 4, follow the way out arrows. Just before the exit, you'll find a few lots on the left. Before the gantries, take a right and head straight. On the left, you'll find more motorcycle lots which are nearby the lobby of Towers 3 and 4. If you turn left, you will find another small ramp which you can use to access the same lots. Turning right here will take you to more lots in the corner. After turning right at this stop line, you'll find another small motorcycle parking area beside the Tower 4 lobby. Parking for delivery riders heading to Towers 3 or 4 is available here on the left. If all basement 1 lots are taken, you can head to basement 2 instead. Take a left here and head back towards the Tower 1 lobby. For delivery riders heading to Towers 1 or 2, There's a dedicated parking area here on the left. Take a left here and keep heading straight. Take a right here at this junction and keep left at the gantry to head down to basement 2. Once in basement 2, take a left. For parking near towers 1 and 2, keep following the way out arrows. At this intersection, make a right and head to the end. Head down this ramp beside Mall Lobby M1 and you find a big motorcycle parking area beside towers 1 and 2. For parking nearer to towers 3 and 4, take a right here and follow the way out arrows again. Head straight to the end. Take a right before the gantry and follow the signboards leading to towers 3 and 4. Right beside Mall Lobby M3, you'll find several lots before the ramp. You can also head down the ramp to access more lots. If you're heading to Tower 5 or the Convention Centre, follow the signboards leading to the Convention Centre/Tower 5. If you intend to head back up to basement 1, you can head up this ramp, which will take you back to the Tower 5 lots I mentioned earlier. On the left here, there's a motorcycle parking area that is nearby Tower 5. There is a lift lobby beside this parking area which you can use to take up to level 1. Head straight to the end and turn right. Head straight to the end again. Turn right at the end and you'll find a row of motorcycle lots right at the end. There is another row of lots further down on the left. The first exit will take you out onto Nicoll Highway in the direction of the city. To find it, simply follow the way out signs. Once again, parking here is free, just keep left at any gantry. The second entrance is also along Nicoll Highway and it can be found using this address. After you pass the gantry, you can either head straight to the Convention Centre and Tower 5, or you can turn left to head towards Towers 1 to 4. The third entrance is along Temasek Avenue and it can be found using this address. You should use this entrance if you're planning to park nearby Towers 3 or 4. This entrance is usually less crowded than the other two entrances as well. Head down the ramp to Carpark F for parking in Basement 1. Once you pass the gantry, you'll find the same Tower 3 and Tower 4 parking lots as earlier. The second exit for this car park will take you onto Temasek Avenue. You can also head to Carpark G, which will take you directly into Basement 2. Here are the same Basement 2 lots as earlier, right beside Towers 3 and 4. Well, that's all for this car park. Hope you enjoyed the guide, and as always, happy riding.